Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗍𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold price closed below $2347 level, indicating continuation of the bearish trend. Expectation lean towards further decline in the upcoming trading sessions, supported by negative pressure from middle Bollinger Band for the downside target till $2305 and $2275 in near term. On the other hand, a breach about $2347 level could signal a reversal and attempt to regain its bullish trend. MCX gold price had given a trendline breakdown and given negative close indicates short-term trend is bearish. However, key support hold at 71,000 level and break below will drag the price further down till 70,600 and 70,200 level in near term. On the other hand, key resistance hold at 72,000 level and break above will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is negative. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.